No, and to be honest, I've not eaten any of this, so.
If you Google Norwegian food, you will find a lot of this.
A lot of beige, a lot of brown.
For me, I just think there's more to it than this.
I would probably just put hot sauce on it.
That's why we invited 3 bloggers to come on a road trip through Norway in search of some of our best producers to taste our most honest and sustainable food, and hopefully prove the internet wrong.
My name is Maunika Gowardhan, and I'm a food writer and an Indian chef. You know, anything that was stressful in our lives, my mum would always say, what do you want to eat? So a lot of my recipes are historically from families across India. They're all regional. What you get in the north is completely different to what you get, say, in the east or the west or the south. For me, it seems like the most exciting thing to actually come to a brand new place and actually learn that much more in the similar fashion, you know, about Norway as well.
So we are at a reindeer. It's not. Wait, would you say reindeer farm? It's not a reindeer farm. No.
I'm making a really hearty, lovely curry with spices and chanterelle mushrooms, all seasonal, all amazing. So can't wait.
And we are gonna catch reindeer. Hello. Good morning.
My name is Eva.
You have to tell us about this amazing outfit.
Oh, this one.
The colours are so beautiful.
This is a traditional South Sami costume.
Yeah.
And I belong to the South Sami people. So my living is reindeer herding. And that's what my family have been doing for lots of generations in this area. We do not raise them, they are domestic, but indeed wild.
They're free running.
Yeah, free running all the
amazing.
time. And we're not feeding them anything.
Yeah.
Reindeer meat is one of the world's most healthy
Healthiest,
meat you can ever have.
What do you prefer, Eva? Would you like to have it in a stew, or would you like to have it stir-fried?
I prefer cooked. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
This is lots of traditional things that we make from the reindeer. Røros is a very popular area for local food.
Yeah.
We are almost 30 producers in one community and producing local food. This is a specialty you have to try.
Oh,
this is a dried heart.
Oh, wow.
Maybe the most popular thing at the table.
That is so, and also I can tell that it's a good amount of seasoning.
Like a smoked bacon.
Yeah.
Yeah. With just a different texture.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm so excited.
Me too.
These look incredible. Oh my
I'm
gosh.
Tinger.
Magne, we have some reindeers up here. They are wild, so they might run when they see us.
But we can keep chasing them.
Yeah, they think we are chasing them, so they will run away.
Okay.
I'll introduce you to one of my favorite curries. It's actually saute them in really simple spices, nothing too much. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna take some coarsely crushed pepper. Just gonna kind of mix that in. Now we're adding butter because we want more flavor. Now if you stick that close to the fire, and you can keep an eye on that, and I will start the base of the curry. I'm taking a few of the cinnamon and I'm gonna add them to the pan.
Oh. Okay.
All the way back there, but they ran away. Oh, there they are. Rudolph, come back.
I have trained her to help me move the reindeers, not to hunt them.
We have a little friend here. Hey, little puppy, you want to be famous?
If you can put about half a tablespoon of the plain flour, and I'll also add the remaining spices. A touch of the garlic and the ginger.
Okay.
All the good stuff.
What you see here is reindeer food.
All organic?
All organic. The moss takes about 20 years to grow. If we overgraze it, it will die and disappear.
You see, I'm not used to this strong flavors, so I'm really excited. Already hungry.
Already hungry.
Hello.
Hi.
We're hungry. Oh, it's gorgeous. We're so cozy. Oh my gosh.
We need to thaw out by the fireplace.
Catching all those reindeers, hard work.
Should I serve it?
Yes.
Yes, it smells and looks so good.
We're ready.
The rumor has it they actually go to war to find these berries. So they're pretty precious.
It's a flatbread from the local baker here in Røros.
I like the chutney. I love chutney anyway, but this is different. I've not had cloudberries before.
Oh, you gotta mix these two together. You have that sweet and savory.
It's new ways to make both the meat and the cloudberries. It's delicious.
I'm just super impressed because I was not expecting to see what the texture of reindeer was like when you through the cooking process, and also how it would marry with the spices. I think just the produce and the people, I think to see just what they have around them is just fantastic. What a day. Loved every minute of it. Thank you.